Check first if there is a common factor for all the terms in the polynomial. If none, then try factoring by grouping. Identify which two terms have a common factor and pair them. Let's now factor 12n cubed plus 4n squared. Notice that 3n plus 1 is prime, so we just copy these terms. These two sets have a common binomial factor of 3n plus 1. To get the remaining factor, let us divide each set by the common binomial factor 3n plus 1. 3n plus 1 divided by itself is 1. The terms differently. Let us rewrite the polynomial so that the paired terms are beside each other. Notice that 4n squared plus 1 is prime, so we just copy these terms. These two sets have a common binomial factor of 4n squared plus 1. To get the remaining factor, divide each set by the common binomial factor 4n squared plus 1. 4n squared plus 1 divided by itself is just 1. Notice that our answer here is the same as the answer in the previous method.